Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Reels option not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and click on app management, and here you need to search for the Instagram. Okay, and then you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open your Instagram, and then your issue will be resolved. But if your issue is not resolved, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down and click on help, and then you need to click on report a problem, and then you need to click on report a problem, and here you need to tell to the Instagram team that my reels option is not showing, and you can attach a screenshot so that Instagram team will help and solve your issue. But in some countries Instagram reels is not present, so that's why you are also not seeing this option. So this is the process by which you can fix Instagram reels option. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.